Okay, so this is the screen that teachers will see. You can have any questions you want to add in, depending on your subject, into the game. There's 16 questions you can add, and up to 3 answers for each. Now, if you want them to answer a particular sentence, then you can put that in. If you want them to say a particular word, but it doesn't matter where it is in the sentence, you just add that word in. So, for example, our question 1 might be, what time does Fred go to bed? If Fred's a character in your book you're reading or something like that. And then a possible answer could be midnight, if he goes to bed at midnight. But they might not put midnight, they might put 12. So if you want them to get that as a correct answer as well, you can add that as another option. They might also put the middle of the night, so maybe you could make a correct answer middle. If they put any sentence that contains middle, 12, or midnight in, they will get correct answer. Anything else will be wrong. So this is how you can use. You don't have to use all of these. Again, you don't even have to have 16 questions if you don't want to. The game will pre-fill anything that you don't enter in with a regular question about the game. Question 2 might be, for example, a maths question. So you might have something like, what is 5 times 20? It's got a question mark, doesn't matter. Now, if you wanted to, you could just put the number answer if you want them to only put the number answer in. Okay? But you might want them to write the words as well to be a correct answer. Okay? So you can do that, and then you click done. Then you also have the option of adding clues. Now, I like to do this because I like to let the students know what's going to happen in their game. So if you click on add extra clue, what's the clue? Well, clue is Fred goes to sleep at midnight. And this information will be somewhere else in the game. It will be given to them somewhere else. If you don't fill any of the clues in, they'll just get some random information. It's not a problem. But you can correspond the clues to the questions so that they won't be next to each other or near each other, or you can just add them in. It's all completely optional. We click done. Then you get a screen about how to save the game so that your students can play it. And then you send it to your students, and that's all you have to do. And then you can start playing. Now, I didn't do all the questions, so a lot of the questions will be things from the game because the game will pre-fill the questions I didn't fill in. What colour is the trailer, for example? The trailer is white. Well done. And there's a letter in the road. So, and if I click on the truck, I've only got one piece of the map. I can't go anywhere else. I need to find somewhere else to go. So you can move around, you can go through the game, and your students will get asked questions. What time does Fred go to bed? See, that's where question 1 lives. He goes to bed at midnight.